Deepan Mehta is with us of Elixir Equities. He's been waiting by. Deepan, good morning. Good to see you. And season's greetings. Happy Diwali to you. Good to see you all sort of dressed up.
I got inspired. I got inspired by the entire team. I think all of you are looking really lovely, and really
thank
the
you.
festive cheers coming through so nicely through the channel. So happy Diwali and happy New Year, and thank you for having me on your show today and so many times in the past. So,
Absolutely.
thank you
Today
very
and
much.
tomorrow, right? So we're celebrating both days.
Yes.
So it's that time of the year. Deepan, you heard the conversation with Protean. Any thoughts? Stocks run up quite a bit. Last 3 months, though, it started consolidating.
So Prashant, and I was seeing the interview, and the only thing going in my mind is the PE multiple. You know, how can you buy this stock cheaper? I think it trades at beyond 90 times trailing 12 month. I know it's a great business, and they have a very high, very strong competitive strengths, very nice moat as well. But look, these valuations, a lot of the future has got captured in it. Maybe whenever there's a correction, or if the price remains stable and the earnings catch up and you get it in that 50, 60 times PE multiple, zone, that may be a good entry point. But right now, I think you buy this company, and although the numbers will come through, I don't think in terms of returns you will get such a good return on this stock. So for the time being, I think it's a pass. Existing investors should remain invested, definitely.
Deepan, you've been off the view. You've been cautious at the margin, right? In this correction from the highs, which is about 8-9% from all-time highs, many mid-small cap stocks fell 30-40%. Did you pick up any?
No, Prashant, not really. But our Diwali pick this year is Waaree Energies. Very bullish on that particular company. A big disclosure that we and our clients are in the process of investing in it. And since we have a positive view on the stock, it could be biased. But we're looking at the entire energy space, and the more we know about Waaree Energy, it looks very interesting. And although it is expensive, but I think the growth will be phenomenal over the next few years as it expands capacity. And what we like best is the diversified nature of the revenues. So it's not necessarily dependent only on the Indian market, and the fact that it supplies globally as well certainly kind of endorses their quality.
Okay, Waaree is the Diwali pick for you. Got that. And we'll talk more about this as we go on. Autos, Deepan, from the two-wheeler space, Hero, big correction from the highs. You look at four-wheelers, Maruti, recently, numbers came through recently. There's Tata Motors, which has come off quite a bit. Just your thoughts. Tomorrow we get the October monthly sales numbers as well. Do you think we could see some moves here?
No, I think, Prashant, better to stay a bit underweight auto. I think existing investors should remain invested. Prices have corrected also significantly, but I would just wait for a fresh investment perspective. Given that, the volume numbers are slow, and also the inventory levels have increased at the dealer levels. We keep hearing about higher discounting as well. So I think autos are in a bit of a cyclical slowdown that could last for a few quarters. Long-term trajectory is good. Valuations are not completely out of whack. So I'd remain invested, but I would wait on fresh investment.
Deepan, 30 seconds. PSU banks, the PSU bank index is up, I think, about 7-8% last 2-3 days. Do you like anything there? You own anything?
Tier 2 PSU banks, IOB, Central Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, I think they delivered exceptionally good numbers. Punjab and Sindh Bank also. And I think that there's definitely a case for PE re-rating over there, and that could give good outperformance.
Deepan, of course, is still with us. Deepan, thanks for waiting. Just a couple of stocks I want to throw your way. One is Five Star Finance. It sold off 12%, ended down 12% yesterday on the back of numbers and the guidance, etc., which was lowered. So if you have a view, stock's not done anything since the IPO. Good quality pedigree, though. That is one. And MCX sold off about 6-7%. Some buzz chatted in the market that maybe a large block is around the corner. But, of course, nothing confirmed yet. Go on.
No, Prashant, very positive on MCX. I think amongst the entire exchange space, I would rate MCX as the best stock to consider for investing. That's because its options market is still at a nascent stage, and it has considerable scope to scale up that segment. And all the costs also now have significantly come down. Their entire platform has stabilized, and it's a great operating leverage business. Gold is doing extremely well, and that means volumes are going to go up in value and volume terms as well. I know it's slightly expensive, but the earnings will surprise you on the positive side. With Five Star and all other NBFCs, I know they are reporting good numbers, like a few of them are, but considering the environment and the overall situation in the industry, I just want to wait and watch.
Okay, all right. Got that, Deepan. Thank you very much for all the advice, all the calls today through the year. Wish you a very happy Diwali, and we'll keep chatting again.